Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start the revision of our exercise 1.3. Before moving towards exercise 1.3, we would know about what are radical equations. As you can see on the screen, that the radical equations are the ones that contains radical sign and also in which the radicand contains the variable of the equation. As you can see in the example that under root 2x plus 1 equals to 1, it is a radical equation and the variable falls under root, so that means it is the radical equation. Now what we have to do, we have to change these radical equations into the standard quadratic equation first, and then we have to solve the equation by any of the three methods studied so far. So moving towards the exercise 1.3, question number 1. Solve under root 5x plus 21 equals to x plus 3. So this is a radical equation. So first of all we have to just remove this under root and change it into the standard quadratic equation. So first of all, now here you can see, you are supposed to take the square on both sides, as we use square to remove the under root, to remove the square root. So squaring both sides would give you the result as 5x plus 21 equals to x square. That means this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So arranging this equation, we would get the result as x square plus x minus 12 equals to 0. So here we have found our given quadratic equation. Now we have to solve it either by factorization or by completing square or by quadratic formula. So doing factorization of it, we get the result as x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equals to 0. So making the factors, we get and the factors as x into x plus 4 minus 3 into x plus 4 equals to 0. Now you can see that the factors x plus 4 and x plus 4 are same, so that means we have done the correct factorization. And so taking these both equal to 0, so first of all x minus 3 equals to 0, then x plus 4 equals to 0, we get the x equals to 3, x equals to minus 4. Now we have got two roots, but first of all then put it into the given equation and then check that whether the which of the roots are real roots and which are the extraneous root, that means which roots satisfy the equations. So let's check it out, putting x equals to 3 in this equation. So we get the result as 6 equals to 6. So this is true, that means x equals to 3 is the real root of this equation. Now putting x equals to minus 4, so we get the wrong results for it, as 1 is not equal to minus 1. So x equals to minus 4 is the extraneous root of this equation. So solution set equals to 3. So this was all about this question. In this, we all the rest of the questions are of by the same process, as you have to make the simpler changes in order to make the equation easy for you. Okay, so let's check out the another question. I'm just taking the question number part 10, question number 1 part 10, in which you are given with two radicals. So under root 2x plus 3x plus 5 plus under root 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 2. Now you are given with this equation, but you cannot take square root in this condition because it would make the equation more difficult for you. When we will take the square of this thing, so what will happen, you have to take a square, it would become this one become a and this would become b. So you have to take the square of it plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, and then 2ab would give you the complicated term. So in order to not have that term, what we have to do, we have to make some arrangements. So what kind of arrangements are these? We will leave this one radical on the left hand side, and then we will move the other radical on the right hand side of the equation. So now squaring both sides, you will see, would not make the equation very difficult or complicated. So squaring both sides would finish the square of under root of this term, and then this would become a square plus b square plus minus 2a b. So 4 plus 2x square plus 3x plus 1 minus 4 into under root 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So here we have got this equation, as we have solved it by dividing 2 on both sides. So 0 equals to minus 2 under root 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now again we have to take the squaring both sides, because we need to finish the other under root as well. So squaring both sides would give you the result as 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So you can solve this quadratic equation by any of the three methods. So applying factorization and midterm breaking on it, so we would get the result as 2x into x plus 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So taking this equals to 0 and then this equals to 0 first, so it would give x equals to minus 1, and it would give x equals to minus 1 by 2. These are the two roots of this equation. But now checking out which one is the real root and which one is the extraneous root. So putting x equals to minus 1 in the equation first, you would get the result as 2 equals to 2, which is 2 for this equation. So x equals to minus 1 is the real root, and then putting x equals to minus 1 by 2 in the equation, and we would get the result 2 equals to 2 true. And we, that means x equals to minus 1.1 by 2 is also the real root. So solution set equals to minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2. So this is all about this exercise. I hope you have got it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.